Smoking is harmful to health. It is undeniable that smoking contains many harmful substances such as tar, nicotine, and carbon monoxide. Smoking inevitably affects health. Due to social factors, the number of smokers in our country is increasing, exceeding 350 million every year. About 1 million people in our country die from smoking. What is nicotine? Nicotine is a bioalkaloid found in tobacco and is the main reason for smoking addiction. It can enter the body through smoking, chewing tobacco, or snuff. Nicotine stimulates the nervous system, producing a temporary sense of relaxation and pleasure. Long-term use leads to dependence on it. Nicotine addiction also directly stimulates the heart, causing increased heart rate and blood pressure. Why should you quit smoking early? Here are 4 reasons why smoking is harmful and may deter many people. 1. Damages oral health. Tobacco contains nicotine, a harmful substance that causes addiction. Smokers often find that no matter how much they brush their teeth, they remain yellowish due to the tar and nicotine, which stains the teeth like stubborn spots on the face. Smoking also stimulates the salivary glands, making food taste bland. Smokers often feel thirsty and dry, leading to chronic pharyngitis and significantly affecting oral health. 2. Affects brain health. Long-term heavy smoking causes noticeable damage to the body, especially the brain. Smoking releases carbon monoxide, which, when inhaled, reduces the blood's oxygen-carrying capacity, depriving the brain of the oxygen it needs. This can lead to decreased brain function, increased risk of dementia, and reduced cognitive abilities. 3. Causes cardiovascular diseases. For middle-aged and elderly people, smoking is even more harmful. As the body's functions decline and resistance to diseases weakens, smoking can easily lead to cardiovascular diseases and accelerate aging. For those with diabetes, smoking can be devastating, leading to multiple complications and even life-threatening conditions. 4. Lowers immunity. Frequent smoking exposes the body to harmful substances in tobacco, directly affecting the immune system and making individuals more susceptible to colds and fevers, especially during seasonal changes. The nicotine in cigarettes does not cause cancer, but smoking is harmful to health. Despite the lack of strong evidence in the medical community to prove nicotine's carcinogenicity, it is a controversial topic. Although nicotine itself does not cause cancer, it is considered an addictive substance. Nicotine is the main component of cigarettes, and once people start smoking, it is difficult to quit due to nicotine addiction. Interestingly, nicotine is also found in many common plants like tomatoes and eggplants, which are considered healthy foods, but their nicotine content is minimal. Regardless of the addiction, there are 4 types of cigarettes you should avoid. 1. Tea cigarettes. In recent years, more people have turned to smoking tea cigarettes, believing that they are made from tea leaves and not tobacco, thus not harming lung health. This is a misconception. Even tea cigarettes release various toxic substances when heated, making them more harmful than regular cigarettes. 2. Menthol cigarettes. Many people prefer menthol cigarettes for the unique, cooling sensation they provide. However, scientific research has shown that menthol cigarettes pose similar risks to traditional cigarettes. They contain nicotine and other harmful substances, and the cooling sensation is due to added menthol, which stimulates nerve endings and can lead to addiction. 3. Moldy cigarettes. For ordinary people, smoking is an expensive habit. To save money, some workers buy cheap cigarettes, even smoking moldy ones. Moldy cigarettes harbor many bacteria and toxins, increasing the risk of cancer. 4. Counterfeit cigarettes. Smoking is a significant financial burden, especially for those with limited economic means. To save money, some smokers resort to cheap, unbranded cigarettes, which lack quality assurance and may contain high levels of heavy metals, posing greater health risks. Instead of reducing cost by smoking cheap cigarettes, it is better to quit smoking altogether. In conclusion, everyone should avoid smoking the 4 types of cigarettes mentioned above to protect lung health. Regular exercise and drinking plenty of water and tea can help protect your lungs. Start with small daily habits to avoid the harm caused by tobacco and strive to quit smoking for better health.